Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can download Facebook app on PC to use it. Let's get started. Open up your any browser that you like, and you have to do is simply search on the search bar is like Facebook, and you have to simply click on this Facebook download for PC. Once you click on that, you will comes over here. So you can see over here bunch of options over here. You can see you can simply download it from anywhere, but I prefer you to download it from Microsoft Store. You have to do is simply click on this link, and it's gonna be comes over here, and you have to do is simply view in store. Once you comes in this, you have to simply open this up, and you will comes over here. So as you can see over here, an option called get. Once you click on this get option, it's going to be start downloading your Facebook app, and then it's going to be preparing and getting this app on your PC. So you can see over here it's going to be downloaded or downloading over here, getting files ready, and as you can see over here it's going to start downloading, and you have to do is wait for a while to completely download this to use a Facebook app on your PC. So wait until it's going to be downloaded. It's about 6.29 MBs, and it's going to be downloaded in few seconds. So as you can see over here, it's downloading, and you can simply use it to click on open, and it's gonna be open it up for you, and you have to simply do is sign up, or you can simply type over here your mail address or phone number that you have connected with your Facebook, so and then password, and then click on login, and it's going to be logged in, and you can simply use your Facebook on PC as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.